That's another reason why I don't hold positions over the weekend. That God candle at the open was wild. How many contracts were traded? That's a great question. Let's find out. You know what's funny is that there was literally no opportunity. I didn't trade any of the Globex, obviously, but 3,100 contracts there in the first opening minute candle. But let's look at the 10 second. Let's get really deep in that thing. It was, if you were watching it on Bookmap, you could see that there was like a gap. It opened and then it froze and then there was a gap. You could see it right here on the 10 second chart. But in that opening candle, 662 and then 958 in those first 20 seconds. But there was a huge gap betwixt these two candles. If you fired in an order here, right, depending on who your broker is, I don't know what would have happened with AMP. If I click market buy the moment the market opens, they could have filled me at the top of this candle, which would have been pretty just awful. Which, by the way, AMP had a margin on with my $669,000 in my account that I had before I took the trade this morning. The max I could have taken was 78 contracts. Imagine if I just fired it in full size and then they filled me at the top of this candle, because they could do whatever they want with a market order. Since the market kind of stopped in this moment, can we go to like, do we have 1 second? Go all the way back. I want to see. I think it even printed like even on 1 second here. This is what I'm talking about. The candle closed at 6:30 and then it reopened at 700. So you're talking about a 70-point gap. Like if you're trying to fill there and all of a sudden get filled, you know, you gotta be very quick and tactile. I'm not saying that I couldn't have done it, but it's gambling at that point. Like that's really stupid, because who's to say that you fire in here and then it fills you like down here and it dumps or whatever the case. But anyway, it was insane. Anyway, we closed much lower than that and we gapped up. So I'm sure a lot of people who were short into the weekend got clapped and destroyed. So that's another reason why I don't hold positions over the weekend.